Today, we are going to take the reading comprehension portion of the Case of the Gasping Garbage reading test. I am going to read the questions and the choices aloud to you. You will have to read the reading passage on your own. I suggest that you either set up two windows on your computer so that you can listen to me read while you're doing the test, or you put your tabs next to each other so that you have your tab with the video open as well as the test open next to each other so you can switch back and forth between the two tabs. When you are answering a question and you need me to stop, just hit the pause button. You can always hit the back button too if you need me to repeat the question for you. Let's get started. Your reading passage is Where's the Fizz? Go ahead and read through your story. Hit pause. When you're done, you can hit play and I'll read you the questions. Your first question is, which event takes place before the story begins? Sarai and Emily talk to Mrs. Doone. Sarai and Emily get home from the park. Sarai and Emily have a problem with the soda, or Sarai and Emily solve the mystery of the soda. Question number 2. What happens when the girls drink the soda? It tastes terrible. It is too warm. It turns out to be juice. It spills on the counter. From whose point of view is the story told? Sarai's, Emily's, Mrs. Doone's, or a third-person narrator's? Based on details of the story, who is Mrs. Doone? A stranger, a neighbor, a classmate, a science teacher? Number 5. Emily says that Mrs. Doone talked about her garden forever. What does Emily mean by this? Mrs. Doone has no one else to talk to. Mrs. Doone barely talks about her garden. Mrs. Doone is not interested in most things. Mrs. Doone talks for a long time about her garden. Question number 6. How does the orange soda lose its fizz? Carbon dioxide escapes from the bottle as a gas. Carbon dioxide mixes with the liquid in the bottle. Carbon dioxide escapes from the bottle as a liquid. Or carbon dioxide makes too much pressure in the bottle. Question number 7. Who solves the mystery of the soda? Sarai, Emily, both Sarai and Emily, neither Sarai nor Emily. Be sure that you're looking back in the text to find evidence for your answer so that you don't get tricked. Last question. In the last paragraph, how do the girls solve the problem? They drink water, they go back outside, they finish the flat soda, or they drink juice instead of soda. Be sure that you're looking back in the text at the last paragraph to see what your answer is. Good luck!